county government.
Meanwhile, farmers in Mandera County are grappling with substantial losses as their farms have been swept away by floods caused by continuous rainfall in the region. Farmers in Mandera East, particularly in Border Point 1 scheme, are the hardest hit, losing over 35 hectares of farmland. Crops such as kales, tomatoes, maize and watermelons carefully cultivated by the farmers have been destroyed by the floods. And Mohammed Arabi, one of the affected farmers, is urging local leaders to provide humanitarian aid, emphasizing their current state of destitute. And on her part, Mandera woman representative Ukuheri has announced her intention to present a bill in parliament aimed at safeguarding farmers.
Kitunguu, iko mahindi, iko spinach, iko bilibili, iko maharawe, iko vitu mingi. Na karibu hii shamba inakaribia karibu 1,000,000 hasara.
Mahindi, marawe, kutungu, nyanya, kila kitu iko kwa hii shamba. Na hakuna kitu nabaki, hata kama nabaki weka mashini bandeo. Nafikiri hiyo line mbili nabaki kwa bandeo. Hakuna kitu kingine hapa nabaki. Mainji ngushaenda kila siku inji naenda.
They are really in a dire situation as we speak. All their farms, food is all gone, and they are appealing to our offices. And I would urge the national government to come in handy and support the farmers of Mandera.
That report brings us to the end of KTN News Desk. Thank you so much for watching and for your company. I'll see you again at the top of the hour with Africa Speaks. My name is Purity Musenzuki. Keep watching.